I mean, we're still young, so we're still an early stage company. So we're trying to almost, exploit a need that we see in the market as well as define a category. So, if it were kind of labeled in some way, we're looking for, customers or clients or partners that do two things. One, they have patient capital, right? So it's not, we're not involved in trying to look for, opportunities to get in and out of an investment quickly, right? And that, this is where we make the distinction between trading and investing. So we're distinctly on the investing side and trying to advise investors to, look for opportunities to say, it's a long duration thesis and it's patient capital. So, if you're interested in, partnering with us or using our platform and you want to see, just skyrocket returns at the end of this year, that may happen, but that's not who we're really trying to focus on. We're really trying to grab the people that are thinking, okay, we're in the early stages of, a long economic cycle, and these tailwinds that are behind us are going to be driving, again, really how society functions for the next, decades, right? And this is still really early. So when we think about things like, the energy transition and how supply chains are changing and how onshoring is kind of just, just almost redistributing how capital is allocated. On top of it, there are just the traditional geopolitical things that are, look at what the tariffs, just the announcement of speculative announcements around tariffs, just look what that did to the, the stock market in a short period of time. So, we need to think about the short-term things, but really keeping our eye on that long duration thesis and, spotting the opportunities that are, well prepared to take advantage as these tailwinds grow.